I'm Aaron Fish and I'm a chef, and today we're talking about Really Ranch. Really Ranch. I mean, it's basically everything that's in ranch dressing, salt-free. No salt, that means no salt. Onion, garlic, chives, other spices in there that make that delicious ranch flavor profile. I actually really love to make ranch dressing at home with this. Take a little sour cream, some buttermilk, a little bit of lemon juice, mayo, mix it up with this, you got ranch. Put this on potatoes, it's delicious. You can put this on fish, you can put it on really anything. I mean, you have these flavor profiles that are in there that really lend itself to having some herb, garlic. It's good on steak, it's good on chicken. You can ratio your own salt. Put as much as you want in there, little as you want. You can use the salt of your choice. You can get some turmeric salt, some Himalayan salt. This isn't your commercially available ranch blend here. This is more fresh spices, better tasting, and more versatile than you could ever find in the grocery store. I'm Aaron Fish. I love ranch. I'm a chef.